morning children. Today we are going to talk about Diwali festival. When I say the word Diwali, what comes in your mind children first? Bursting of crackers. Because you all love bursting of crackers, isn't it? So on this day we will decorate our houses with the lights, flowers and diyas, isn't it? It is a festival of lights and it is also known as Deepavali. Understood children? It is a Hindu festival which is celebrated every year. Why do we celebrate this festival children? Because it is believed that the Lord Rama with his wife Sita, after 14 years he returned back from forest to his house Ayodhya. Understood? He lived in forest how many years? 14 years. After that he returned back to his house Ayodhya. And we also do on this day Lord Ganesha and Lakshmi Puja children for prosperity and as well as wealth. And we also decorate the houses, offices, shops etc. with the lights, flowers, diyas. Understood? And during this day what we will do? The main important thing you all like is bursting of crackers, isn't it? During the bursting of crackers, the smoke which is released from the bombs, okay, sparkles, crackers, what will happen? That smoke will mix with the air. Understood? And the same air when we inhale or when we intake, what will happen? Because the smoke mixed air we are inhaling, we are intaking. What will happen children? Health problems will come because all these chemicals, isn't it? All these chemicals went up and mixed with the air, and that air we are intaking, we are breathing. So what will happen? Health problems will come. Understood? And another problem with the bursting of crackers is sound pollution, isn't it? Sound also, very big sounds you will hear, and these sounds what will happen? It will damage your ear. Understood children? Not only us, even the animals like cat and dogs. Yes, ears also very sensitive children when compared to us, and this sound can also damage the animals also. So when you are bursting the crackers, you should tie your nose with the cloth or wear a mask and keep cotton also in your ears children, okay, to avoid this smoke and sound. Understood children? And so what we will do on this day? Another thing is, during this day the important thing you should remember, keep in your mind is, when you are bursting the crackers, you should take care of your hands and also the parts which are exposed to them, like fireworks, okay. You should take care. Wear complete covered clothes, full hands. Understood children? So hope you all had enjoyed the Diwali children. Understood? Thank you.